Hi guys, welcome to Kyra's Kids Corner. And here's my new toy. It's called Love Pets Collection. So it comes with a visor, a hot dog, a can of juice, French fries, a bag, a pink watch, two different pairs of shoes, and I think this is a litter box. Then it comes with a really cute puppy, dog food, cat food, a little jacket with a visor, with some sunglasses. Then here are all the different dogs you can collect. I have this one, but I'm really hoping to get the other three. Here are the different dolls you can get from the collection. So from each doll, all the puppies are lined up. So if I got this one, I would get this puppy. If I got this one, I would get that puppy. And And green bows for this puppy. And here's outdoor time. She has vinyl head, rooted hair, and painted eyes, bendable legs, and trendy accessories. So here's the doll herself. She wears a little tank top, blue and white. Then some nice jeans with a shiny blue belt. Let's get open. The box is going here. All the things in close up. Now let me get off all the tape. Okay guys, so now let me take out all this tape. For the dog house. Okay guys, so I think I got out all the tape. Now let me take out the doll. So here's the pretty doll. Something's going on with her leg. Oh. Okay guys, so this is the doll. As they said, her legs can bend, but for now I'm just going to leave her here. Let's get down her accessories. Her accessory bunch. Right. Just need to pull out all of the plastics. The hot dog, and now I'll just get out all the tape. Okay guys, comment down below if you think this is a litter box or just a carry around bag, because here's the bag for her. So the bag, I think they said this could open. Visor can actually be adjusted. They said the visor could open up if you want it to adjust, and yes it can. Here's one pair of her shoes. So here's both the shoes, and they have a little velcro piece, so you can just close it and open. So here's the velcro pieces that you just need to get through. Yeah, I'll take this a little later. Here's her other pair of shoes with tiny bows, little high heels. Her watch. You can also make it go through. Yep. Her French fries, and I did tell you they are detailed and tiny. A tiny hot dog. Now moving on to the puppy. Can't get you puppy out. Okay. So, come to know her puppy is actually a squeaky toy. One that I got. Now for the food. Well, now I unboxed cute foods, but only one wrong thing. Why would they give cat food when there's no cat? But they still have the dog food. Now moving on to her pretty jacket. I really like blue, so it's no matter if I got the blue one. Just saying. Here are her trendy sunglasses. Thanks. Now moving on to her sweater. They said on the box that they'll have pockets, but it doesn't look like it. It has this really nice fur that I love. Now, bye guys, but just remember to subscribe, like and share your videos with your friends and family. So, bye bye.